Hey, Fotty, do you know the 21st letter of the alphabet?
Do I know the 21st letter of the alphabet? Does an apple a day keep the doctor away? Yes, it's you.
I'm the 21st letter?
No, not you. You. I'll teach you about it. Ursula was a unicorn. Ursula held up an umbrella. Ursula kept dry under the umbrella while her uncle danced underwater. This is a song about the letter U. If you want to sing along, you know what to do. Use the 21st letter of the alphabet. Let's play the U game so we don't forget.
Okay, Fotty, let me give it a try. I'm gonna sing the whole U song.
Okay, Wooby, unleash yourself.
Ursula was a unicorn. Ursula held up an umbrella. Ursula kept dry under the umbrella while her uncle danced underwater.
Wow, Wooby, you're unafraid.
Thanks, Fotty. Now I'm gonna come up with my own U song.
Understood.
Yuri was a unique urchin. Yuri was a unicycle rider. Yuri rode his unicycle urgently while also playing the ukulele.
You.
Unbelievable.